Okay, in the previous section, 12.1, we talked about some of the rules of exponents. This section we're going to be looking at the power rule. So power rule just says if you have an exponent already, which you can see on the inside, and you have another one on the outside, you will multiply those two together. So this is the same thing as saying y to the third power, and that power is being multiplied by 3. So 3 times 3, we get y to the 9th. Okay, so number 2, we want to use the property, and we want our answer to only include positive exponents. Okay, so you have power to a power, so we will multiply those together. We're multiplying this negative 6 to the 1. Sorry about the glare. Either I'll have a glare or a shadow. I don't know which one is better. Okay, we'll go with the shadow. So we'll multiply times negative 6, and we'll end up with y to the negative 6 power. And in order to make this a positive exponent, we have to move it in the opposite location, and then this will become y positive 6 power on the bottom, and then we have to put a 1 on top. That's the coefficient out front. So we end up with this 1 over y to the 6. Alright, so number 3, this time we have 2y to the negative 2nd power raised to the negative 4th. Okay, so because of this property of exponents, this 4 power is going to multiply the exponent. You also need to understand this 2 has an exponent. It's understood to be a 1. So this negative 4 is going to get multiplied here, and it's going to hit the 2, the whole number 2, which is this exponent 1. So negative 4 times 1 gives me 2 to the negative 4th power, and then negative 4 times negative 2 gives me y, negative and negative is a positive, y to the positive 8th. Okay, we want positive exponents. So the 2 has a negative exponent, it's going to get moved down, y to the 8th. And then the 2 has a negative exponent, it gets moved down. So the y to the 8th stays up, the 2 to the 4th gets moved down, so we have 2 to the 4th. And lastly, since 2 is a number, you will go ahead and multiply 2 times 2 4 times. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. So you end up with y to the 8th over 16.